It had been raining lately on the island of Sodor. A lot of trains were delayed because of this. The passengers would often complain. "We're dreadfully late," grumbled the passengers. "I don't care," puffed Thomas. "It's the rain that is keeping me back so." The other engines were having an indignation meeting about the rain. "This is even worse when I got stuck in the tunnel," grumbled Henry. "Henry, remember what I told you," warned Percy. "Water's nothing to an engine with determination." "That's not true," groaned Gordon. "I can't even go fast with the express because most of the tracks are flooded. I wish I was on the mainland again." "This rain is also worse when I was arguing with that spiteful brake van," groaned James. Next day it was still raining, but Henry had a plan otherwise. "Remember," called the driver, "go slow when you see flooded tracks." "Don't worry," Henry said to the driver. "I will." But he thought otherwise still. Then the guard blew his whistle, and Henry puffed away. But the passengers were grumbling. "Dreadfully smelly," said one. "This wouldn't happen on the mainland," said another. But Henry didn't even pay attention on a word they were saying. He was about to overrun the station. "Steady, old boy," said the driver. "Oh, no, we don't," said Henry, and ran right through the station. The guard tried to stop him, but Henry was far behind in the horizon. But the Fat Controller could see him on the bridge. "Stop this behavior," said the Fat Controller. Henry heard him and decided to blow steam at him. Luckily his driver stopped him, and the Fat Controller got off the bridge. "You're a very naughty engine, Henry," said the Fat Controller. "You're going to stay in the shed till further notice." Henry felt very foolish indeed. By the time Henry was ready to come out again, he knew not to overpass stations. He was happy about that, but he was still sad that the Fat Controller yelled at him. But still, he learned his lesson.